My people, how una dey now? We don bring you another ogbonge update come your domot today. The odd gist be say Olori Naomi best friend Olubori dey arrange new wife for the Ooni of Ife. As we don know say the Ooni of Ife and im wife Queen Naomi no dey together anymore. Say they don go their separate ways. But now they don dey talk say this Queen Naomi boy best friend wey also be prophetess Olubori, say she no be Queen Naomi best friend anymore. Say she no dey interact with am again. Say na Ooni of Ife she still dey interact with. So when Ooni of Ife first marry Queen Naomi, people bin think say na Olubori introduce Queen Naomi to Ooni of Ife. But no, Queen Naomi don come out talk say na actually Ooni of Ife introduce am to prophetess Olubori. So e mean say na after she marry Ooni of Ife she actually meet prophetess Olubori. But her and this Olubori when she still be Olori, her and this Olubori dey close. They dey always snap picture together, dey go church. As be say Queen Naomi too na prophetess, this Olubori too na prophetess. They always show their spirituality, they snap picture together. Prophetess Olubori go dey post Queen Naomi picture. She go dey give us the latest picture of Queen Naomi. They post the event they go to and all this kind thing. But as e be say now wey Queen Naomi and Ooni of Ife no dey together again, Olubori no dey post all those kind things. So people come dey wonder say they bin think say they be best friends, they be padi, na them be like spiritual sisters. But now wey Queen Naomi no dey married to Ooni of Ife again, e come be like say Professor Olubori don remove herself from the equation. But now people dey talk say no, say wetin happen be say na actually Ooni of Ife introduce prophetess Olubori to Queen Naomi. So na Ooni of Ife Olubori first know. So they say that means say now wey they don divorce, say her loyalty go lie with Ooni of Ife. No, e no go lie with Queen Naomi. They even talk say one of the reasons wey cause this Queen Naomi and prophetess Olubori relationship wey no dey strong like that, wey they no be best friends like that, be say when Queen Naomi come marry Ooni of Ife, she come pack all her family members. Say her mama, her sisters, all her siblings, all of them, they pack into the palace. And prophetess Olubori no like that kind thing. She come dey say say Queen Naomi mama still dey married to Queen Naomi papa. No be say she be widow or say and Queen Naomi papa no dey married again. So why she go leave her husband come pack into her daughter's matrimonial home? Say they come dey act like say they never see royalty, they never see money before, they never see wealth. Say all this kind thing, how Queen Naomi or family members pack themselves into the palace. Now all those kind thing, Professor Olubori see, she say I no like this kind person. No be like these people suppose dey do things. Say even though say maybe una no grow up with money, una no grow up with wealth. Say Queen Naomi grew up like she grew up in an humble background. So even though it be like that, say you know me say anywhere wey they don't see money, they don't see royalty, they don't see wealth. You know me say maybe they do as if they want down on top the matter. Say as Queen Naomi marry Ooni of Ife, all her family members pack into the palace, and Professor Olubori no like that kind thing. Now they say as Ooni of Ife and Queen Naomi no dey marry again, Professor Olubori see dey post picture of herself for Ooni of Ife palace. Say they go dey see am, she go post picture wey she go Ooni of Ife palace, she kneel down. Say e be like say na she be like spiritual cover for Ooni of Ife. Say as she be prophetess, she get gift where she dey see vision and all those kind of things. Say she obviously when she see vision concerning Ooni of Ife, she go tell am make he pray and all those kind thing. So we don't know say Professor Olubori and Ooni of Ife no fight o, say they still dey kampe, say na her and Olori Naomi no dey on good terms. Now people dey come dey give say say now Professor Olubori don dey groom another lady for her church make she bring come give the Ooni of Ife as new wife. People come dey say but even if her and Olori Naomi no dey close again, that at least they been best friends before, why she wan come bring new wife give Ooni of Ife? My people, how una take see this matter? Because all this things wey dey say, me I no even know wetin to say again. But people shall get their own opinion o. This person Victoria Fashunbe, she talk say God will surely see Kabiyesi through in Jesus' name. Queen Naomi should please go back to her husband. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Na that one she no be that. Omo, I don talk am before say all these people they fit still come back together. Queen Naomi and Ooni of Ife fit still come back together tomorrow. So true, what God has put together, let no man put asunder. But still, if person no dey happy for marriage, shey they go stay there. As her and Ooni of Ife don say they no wan do again o. Say they wan go their separate ways. If na wetin both of them want, make people leave them. But people still dey pray say they go come back together. So Victoria, omo, we no know wetin to say o. Sha dey pray if you wan make Olori Naomi go back to the palace, say make she go back her husband place. God go sha do am if na wetin dey their destiny. Cecilia Akombi say Prophetess Olubori is Sakamaje prophetess. My people, wetin una gats say about this one o? Which one be Sakamaje prophetess again? Well, nobody actually know if these people dey be original prophetess or not, but people just talk say they dey see road, they dey see vision. Say if you get problem, you go, they go pray for you, your problem go away. Say if your life dey do one kind, if you go, they go see vision for you, they go pray for you, everything go dey kampe. So me I no fit say if she be Sakamaje prophetess o, but as she be prophetess, they say she dey see road for Ooni of Ife. So na so the matter dey like that. So my people, how wetin una take reason this matter? Una feel say as Olori Naomi and Ooni of Ife no marry again, shey e right say make Prophetess Olubori go bring new wife for Ooni of Ife? Or una think say even if they no be friends again o, say she no suppose do that kind thing as per maybe she think about the days wey they be friends, make she no do that kind thing. Make una tell me your opinion for the comment section o. Abeg no forget to like this news and put on your notification button and subscribe to this channel. Make we dey farmer una with correct gist all the time.